In the last few days, Google has done something wonderful, and I have been meaning to cover it. But the way models have been released and tools have been released by a lot of other companies, this was getting ignored. But now is the time to review this Gemini Code Assist, which is a free tool from Google for now, of course, which developers worldwide can use very, very generously to assist in their coding endeavors. Gemini Code Assist is an AI powered coding tool that has been designed to support developers around the world by offering real time code assistance, code review, and productivity enhancement. In this video, we are going to install it as an extension with VS Code, and we will also play around with it to build maybe an application in the web. This Code Assist is powered by the Gemini 2 model and provides significant improvements in the quality and speed of both code creation and review. This is being offered for free. Gemini Code Assist is notable for its high usage limits and comprehensive functionality, which makes it really suitable for everyone. Let's talk about its free tier for a bit. So it offers free access with very high usage limits that allows up to 180,000 code completions per month. Yes, you have heard it right. That is huge. And that is, I don't know any other tool which offers that. So this tool also provides comprehensive AI assistance featuring code completion, generation, and chat capabilities to help developers with coding tasks. In addition to aiding in writing code, it offers AI-powered code review, which helps speed up what is usually a time-consuming process. And I believe you can use it in VS Code, JetBrains IDE, Firebase, Android Studio, and at few other places. It supports 20 plus languages, and finally it has got a large context window that supports up to 128,000 input tokens, so you can even use it with your complex project context or large repos. So let's try to get it installed and we will go from there. So I'm just going to go to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04, and what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to create a new directory. I'll just say gem code. Okay, so I'll just create it if it is not there. Sorry. And I'm going to open it in my VS Code editor. And while it opens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. Okay, let's go back to my VS Code. So it's an empty directory at the moment. On the left hand side, let's click on this extension. And as soon as you would type Gemini Code or Assist, this is the first one, click on it, and this is the one which we need to install. So simply click on install here, and you can read about its key features here, which I already have described to you. And by the way, of course, you can use it with GitHub too. So it's installing, let's wait for it, and that is all done. And this is a welcome screen. Okay, and you can read further about it in this welcome screen. So I'm just going to close it from here, and then I'm going to click on this icon of Gemini Code Assist on the left hand side, and it is going to open this conversational assistant on the left. So first step, you just click here, sign in with Google. So you would need a free Google or Gmail account. So let me sign in with my Gmail account. So I'm just going to say copy or open. And once you sign in, you will receive this message that now Gemini Code Assist is now authorized to access your account. So let's go back to our VS Code, and then you can see that everything looks good here. So from here, you can just start using it. Okay, so let's try it out. So I just clicked on dismiss. So this is an vacant empty directory, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it this whole prompt, and I'm asking it to create a simple Pac-Man game using these technologies, and then I'm giving it some game requirements and all that stuff, that what should be the gameplay, and then I'll just say it, and at the end open it in web browser. Let's see if it can create the files and stuff. So Gemini Code Assist is working. Let's wait for it as how it goes. I'll just scroll down to see what it is doing, if it can show me. Very curious to see if it is able to generate files, or would I have to generate it by myself. And there you go, it says that, okay, understand, here is a complete code for simple Pac-Man game. So it has given me the code here. So this is a HTML, and then this is a style sheet. And if I scroll down, this is a JavaScript. Very interesting. And then it is telling me that how to run it, key improvements. Okay, so it has it, and then it these are the citations which it has used, it seems. That is pretty impressive. So let's go back up again. I'll just show you what it did here. You see that it says insert in current file, and then you can also check it, the difference. So I'm just going to click on plus. There is no current file, so it can't do anything. So let me create these 3 files quickly. So I have manually created this index.html, and you see once I go on the left hand side on this plus, it shows me the preview. So I'm just going to click on plus. I'll scroll down, and then I'll just go to style.css, click plus, and then JavaScript. I'll scroll down and then also click here. Let me save these files. And I have saved the file. Now if I open that index.html in the web page, it looks like something this. So it doesn't move it, so it's not a ready to play game. I think we would have to do a lot of iterations there in order to get it working. Okay, but at least it has generated a good skeleton of a code which we can start troubleshooting. Now the rest of the features of this coding assistance is same as others. So for example, in the left hand side, if you just press at, you can reference any file here. You can say index.html. You can say that the Pac-Man is not moving on the web page. Press enter, and then it is going to assist you with that, hopefully. And it has made some code changes. So if you click on this difference with open file, it is going to open a third one, and it is showing you the difference here. You can accept the difference on the top, or you can decline it. You can also walk through it. So I'm just going to click on accept, and then where is accept? So okay, there is you go. So and you can save it now. Let's go back to our web page. Let's refresh it. Okay, now we can tell it nothing is appearing. So you see, you can keep iterating through it. Another thing which you can do, so for example, if you just go to your code and then you press here Control plus capital I, you can do the quick access one. So for example, you can say generate a smiley icon instead of traditional Pac-Man icon, and then it is thinking. Let's wait for it to come back, and there you go. So it has given you the changes here. You can accept or decline again, and as I showed you, you can also change it, you can talk with it, and you can do all of the rest of the things which you can do with other coding assistants. But you see, there is no API key involved, no throttling, nothing. And as I said, the limits are quite big and huge. And similarly, you can do it in any other coding language too. So for example, if I press @ and then do app.py and then paste that, write a script that sends a daily email with the latest weather report, or weather forecast. It is thinking. And there you go. So you can simply click on plus and it is going to add it here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove maybe this colon from here. I'll save it, and then I'm just going to maybe press Ctrl I and I'll say fix any errors, press enters. Let's see if it is able to find that colon. It has been able to find it, and it has given you the correct one too in the green on the right hand side. Just accept it, save it, and again you can press Ctrl I, and then you can just say okay, generate unit tests. It is going to start generating the unit test for you on the left hand side. So you see there are a lot of things which you can do with it, and all free, and I have been using it for some time, and I haven't ever been throttled by Google, so which is quite generous. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.